Welcome to Inside the Modern Python Meat Factory, the incredible process you've never seen.
Refrigerated transport ensures freshness and safety. Rapid cooling preserves quality and texture.
Inside, conditions are carefully balanced.
Behind these walls, a fascinating production journey is about to unfold. Every detail here is designed for precision, safety, and efficiency.
Sterilization begins before any processing starts. This is not an ordinary workplace. It is a system built on technology.
Today, we explore a process most people have never witnessed.
This section here seems inconsistent with the baseline metrics.
You're right. Let's cross-reference with the secure ledger. There, data verified.
Hygiene sprays eliminate contamination risks.
The journey into processing officially begins.
Cleanliness is the foundation of the entire factory.
All indicators are green across the board. Visibility is optimal.
Agreed. Safety parameters are well within tolerance.
Only after approval does processing continue.
Look at the Q3 projections. The trend line is spiking.
I'll cross-reference the market volatility index. It seems we are exceeding expectations.
Sensors constantly analyze quality.
Purified water and undetected elements. Purified water cleans materials thoroughly.
Waste separation protects efficiency. Water purification systems recycle resources.
All parameters are within the acceptable range according to the system.
Confirmed on the physical checklist.
Very good. Let's proceed to the next stage.
Surfaces remain spotless throughout the process.
I've scanned the component. The specs align with the schematics here.
Perfect. Everything seems to be in order. I'll sign off on the documentation now. Stabilizing the flow rate now.
Pressure is normalizing. Looks consistent.
Confirmed. We are within tolerance.
Digital scales guarantee exact measurements.
Manual inspection adds an extra layer of safety. Efficiency here minimizes waste completely.
If we exceed the threshold, the casing temperature becomes unsafe. See the spike here?
We should rerun the overload test with the updated firmware immediately.
Approved batches are sealed securely. Sterile containers preserve testing samples. The laboratory ensures consumer safety.
Is selected liquid. Look at the chromatogram on the transparent display. Cross-correlating. Okay. The peaks are aligning.
Only the highest standards move forward.
The pressure is spiking in reactor 3. We need to vent heat now.
I'm adjusting the flow regulator.
Temperature sensors track every change.
Check the readout, 45.2.
Right inside a height.
Looks consistent.
Good to go.
Ensure this panel is secure.
Confirmed. All diagnostics are green. We are ready.
Distribution connects factory to markets worldwide.
Protective equipment reduces risk.
Look at this sudden jump in the pollution index.
And the alerts are flashing red across the board. This is critical.
Barcodes allow global tracking.
Okay, let's review Section 3 on hazardous materials handling.
Does this update apply to the new automated carts as well?
Yes, especially near the charging stations.
All right, truck 3 is loaded and secured. See you tomorrow.
Drive safe out there.
The product is now ready for distribution.
Subscribe for more unseen industrial journeys and amazing factory stories.